problem statement. In educational institution, especially school students, well-being critical for learning and long-term development. This lead to reduce the monitoring of education's opportunity of potential health risks. AI-powered solution of continuously monitor students.
The purpose solution of this Sendidesk platform with a smart AI-based vision, we can detect the drowsiness. Irregular temperature and abnormal heartbeat. It provides a real-time alert to the teachers and their health staffs. By combining environmental and biometric, we can make the classroom environment easy.
Innovation. The students' well-being and the learning, the Sendidesk platform integrated with AI-powered vision system and variable health sensor. The system continuously monitoring key health indicators such as temperature, heart rate, and sign of drowsiness, like facial recognition and smart bands. This allows us to teachers, school health staff, or parents via mobile notification. This monitoring enables school to identify personal health risk yearly, reduce classroom inattention, and respond to student discomfort.
Working. The Sendidesk AI-powered drowsiness and health monitoring system operates by integrating wearable health sensors and AI-based vision modules with the Sendidesk cloud platform. Each student is equipped with a smart wearable device that continuously tracks vital signs such as heart rate, body temperature, and movement patterns. Simultaneously, AI-enabled cameras installed in classroom monitor facial cues and eye movements to detect signs of drowsiness or fatigue. All collected data is transmitted securely to Sendidesk portal in real time, where it is analyzed against predefined health and alertness thresholds. When abnormal readings or drowsiness are detected, instant notification are sent teachers, school and health staff or parents via SMS, email or mobile app. This system maintains logs for health trend analysis, ensuring privacy and security compliance. This integrated approach allows for immediate interventions and long-term health tracking, promoting student safety, reducing classroom fatigue, and supporting overall wellness within a school environment.
Impact and benefits. Early detection of health issues.
Improved classroom engagement.
Timely teacher and medical response.
Reduce fatigue.
Promotes a tech-driven safe school ecosystem.
Conclusion. In short, Sendidesk is not just a monitoring system. It's a proactive approach to improve student health and learning efficiency, leveraging technology to promote safety, wellness, and academic success. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.